Facebook ads just simply do not work anymore in 2021. Well, at least that's what I continue to hear. It's one of the most common comments that I get is from real estate agents saying that, Mike, Facebook ads just don't work anymore in 2021. I'm getting cold leads, incorrect emails, incorrect phone numbers, and I can't actually get any closed deals from the Facebook ads that I'm generating. But is that actually the case? Because what I want to explain to you in this video is I'm going to show you the exact strategy of how to generate warm and hot leads using Facebook ads, because all hope is not lost. You just have to know how to properly do it. What's up, guys? It's Mike Sherrard. Welcome back to another video. And I'm really excited to share this concept with you because this is how to generate closed deals at scale using Facebook ads. Now, if you do get any value from this, all I ask for you is to smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, and if you want more context as to how to properly leverage social media on every platform, drop a comment below and I'll gladly give you my free masterclass. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into this. So this is the concept that you need to understand, and hold on for a second with me, because if you understand this concept, I'm going to then walk you through the strategy. But I like to educate you so you understand why you're doing certain things, not just regurgitating and following along and not really understanding why you're doing certain efforts. So this is a proper marketing funnel. It applies to e-commerce, it applies to real estate lead generation. Anybody that's running Facebook ads properly understands the marketing funnel. Top, middle, and bottom of funnel. What we're first gonna do is go through this, which is the top of funnel audience. So what we're looking to do with Facebook lead ads for real estate is we wanna bring people into the top of funnel, nurture them, and convert at the bottom of funnel. So the top of funnel are your cold audience leads. Cold leads, people more or less who are unaware of you. They've never heard of you. These are people that are in your market, just like if you could see the city behind me. These are people that are going to be coming into your ads as cold leads, unaware. Now the next step is middle funnel. And the middle of funnel is your warm audience leads. These are people who have now become aware of you. They know who you are, and you're building trust and nurturing them. Now, once we've built that trust and nurtured that audience, that's when we bring them to the bottom of funnel. And when we bring them to the bottom of the funnel, that's where you're stuck dealing with hot leads and warm leads, people who are ready to book appointments because they've built up the trust and you formed a relationship with them by leading with value. So most agents skip out on this because they're going straight to the middle of funnel. And let me explain even further. This is what most agents are doing, and then I'm going to explain what you need to do. So most agents go directly to running a lead generation ad. So they go straight to running a middle of funnel ad. However, they're running it to a top of funnel cold audience, and they're expecting bottom of funnel hot conversion. Stay with me now. You're running a middle of funnel ad to a top of funnel audience to a bottom of funnel expectation. And what you're left is cold leads who have no relationship with you. They're lacking trust because they have never heard of you before. And now they're giving you that bogus, incorrect information because you've never led with value to build trust with your audience. So let me explain what you need to do. This is what social agents do, hence why I have the Social Agent Academy. There's 3 steps in terms of properly building a funnel or a marketing campaign for real estate leads that convert warm and hot leads at scale. Let me break it down for you. Step 1 is here, building brand awareness to get cold leads into the top of funnel. Okay, so we're building awareness, we're getting in front of people by leading with some sort of value, and then they're getting into our funnel. Now, once we're in the funnel, step number 2 is to warm them up and bring them down. So we're gonna bring them down by then introducing some sort of lead generation ad paired with value. And then finally, step number 3 is you've built trust and you nurture them to convert appointments. And what is the result here is you're working with warmer leads who like, know, and trust you. You're exponentially increasing your conversion rate and you're getting booked appointments. So let me then break down how you actually do this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is break down what you need to do for these different steps, which is the top, middle, and bottom of funnel. Now, the first thing that you want to be doing is you want to make sure that you're running a reach ad. So the first thing is we're gonna run a reach ad on Facebook. Now, what you want to be doing here is you want to lead with value. So you want to be running some sort of ad that's providing value to your audience. Now, because it's a brand awareness ad, you usually want to be introducing yourself. Now, this could be a video. Make sure you understand that this should be a video. So it should be a video about you talking about your market, about yourself, what you do differently, the different experience you provide, maybe a community tour or something with you in the video that's leading with value and helping people understand who you are, what you do, and what is your unique value proposition. Now, we're gonna run a reach ad for 2 weeks, and the reason being is because we need enough data and enough people in order to actually build a custom audience with. Now, if you've never seen a retargeting ad, I'll link a video above where you can actually see how to do a custom audience. And what this is gonna do is allow you to build up the right amount of audience to start to retarget. So we're gonna see who engages with our reach ad, and then we're going to retarget the people that engage with our reach ad in the form of a custom audience. So step number 2 is we want to do a custom audience. So we're gonna do this custom audience ad, and what this is going to do is retarget the people that have engaged with our reach ad. Now, this is where the magic happens because they've built brand awareness, we've got in front of them again, and now the hot lead conversion comes here. So what you want to do is again run this ad for 2 weeks, which is a custom audience ad. And number 3 is where you create the lookalike audience. So down here we've got lookalike. So we've got the lookalike audience, maybe if I learn how to spell. All right, so now we've got our lookalike audience. And what we're gonna do with the lookalike audience is we're gonna take the people who've engaged with the custom audience and then tell Facebook to go find more people like that. And we're gonna use Facebook's algorithm to say, hey, these people have engaged with our lead generation ads that we retargeted the people with, and now go find more people who are more likely to engage with my lead generation ads. And once you start putting your budget towards lookalike audiences, that's when everything's going to change. That's when you're going to be getting your top of funnel to your middle of funnel, to your bottom of funnel, and now you can start spending the majority of your budget on your lookalike audience and only be dealing with people who are highly likely to be interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate today. Now, most people go wrong because they're running a top of funnel ad to a middle of funnel audience expecting this, and it's just simply not gonna work. But I'm here to tell you that Facebook ads absolutely still work in 2021. They're actually crushing it, especially for the agents that have gone through my free training. So if you have any other questions, drop a comment below. Super excited to hear what you think. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.